Money means different things to different people. Ever notice how one person tenses up when you suggest evenly splitting a restaurant check, or another one insists on covering the bill every time you go out, while others are obsessed over saving for the future? In this video, we're gonna talk about the patterns in people's behaviors and beliefs around money. While everyone is a combination of each, we all have that core type that represents our deepest held feelings about money. These types are reflected in our external financial lives. However, we will need to change them when they no longer serve us. Let us start with number 1. The guardian. That is the one who is preparing for the worst case scenario. This person is most of the time too anxious to act on financial decisions in a level-headed way. They spend lots of time worrying about worst case what ifs, such as economic collapse or making a single mistake that leads to bankruptcy. If you recognize yourself in this segment, to overcome this fear, you got to seek out concrete information. Do relevant research or reach out to an expert if possible. Then, try to get practical read on the probability of the worst case scenario and plan out proactive steps you can take. Wait until you're clear-headed to take action. Good financial decisions rarely happen in the heat of the moment. And we have the second one, the pleasure seeker. This one is like the money is meant to be enjoyed. They often have a tendency to spend impulsively, which makes it hard to stick to a budget. To overcome this behavior is if you can identify and let go of just one impulse of wanting each day. And at night, you ask yourself, do you still feel the impulse or did your attention shift? This will help you become aware of how much your actions are driven by habit and create a pause between sensing and impulse and taking action. Practice mindfulness, enjoy moments of pleasure that cost nothing at all. And we have number 3, the saver. The mindset of the saver is like saving provides security. The more money savers have put away, the safer they feel. Their pitfalls is feeling a panicked loss of security when they have to spend. If you want to overcome this fear, you can create a pause between yourself and your impulse to save, maybe in the form of an automatic saving system, to ensure a safety net. Spend half on material objects or experiences that make you happy, and give the other half to a cause that you care about. We have arrived to number 4. That is the star. His or her mindset is money is required for respect. Their motivation is cultivating the feelings of pride, recognition, and increased self-esteem. Their pitfalls is constantly moving the goalpost and struggling with feelings of inadequacy. How to manage this? Identify what's driving your spending. When you feel an impulse to spend, ask yourself, what are you actually hoping to buy? How often do you get the desired reaction? When you do get the desired reaction, how long does it usually last? Experiment with other ways to boost your pride, such as volunteering or learning a new skill. Whatever you do, make sure it's for no one else but you. And here we are with number 5, the innocent. Mostly saying, money is confusing, I can't deal with it. These ones are often feeling overwhelmed by financial matters and are usually in the dark about their financial situation. If you recognize yourself in this one and you want to overcome this, first, start by holding onto a set amount of money for at least 3 days to feel more in control. Then, if possible, save a little each month in a separate untouched account. Ask others to show you the ropes. And guys, that's it for the different types of people who behave different around money. As always, if you agree or disagree with anything of this content, let me know down below. Don't forget to tap that like button and also share the video with the ones you think would want to see it. I'm Anthony Diego. Hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and gently tap that like button, hit the subscribe, ring the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video.